Everybody, Scott Travels, 1025. Another day, huh? Why is it so cool here and yet so warm everywhere else? Uh, Not ready for a cold, getting cool yet. Uh, Cruises tied record this year for the top number of illnesses. People, can't you wash your hands? It disgusts me. Why? Why can't you wash your hands before you touch everything? Uh, Domain ship repair has the 50th ship came in. It also includes new biocide free silicone hull paint and offering a new 160-ton bulbous bow, which could cut draft and fuel. And it's a great upgrade, and many ships are using it. Wow, strange, isn't it? This is just a repair yard in France. It hires 1,500 people and it's becoming a popular, dry dock. It NCL has put a new tax on Hawaii, and no one's happy. I mean, it's almost $350, and Norwegians like it's not our fault. It's Hawaii's fault. And of course, they're not letting anybody out of their contract. They're like, nope, it's too soon. January 1st. This is when it takes effect, and they already sent out notices. Even if you pay 100%, you still have to pay almost $350 a person. You know what's going to happen the first couple of weeks of this? ACL is going to be like broke because no one's going to spend money on the cruise ship because they're so pissed, or so broke because they're already this close, just this close, to you know not able to go to Hawaii. They're just scraping by, and they thought, hey, we have some money, we're going to be okay. Now we have nothing. I'm with you. This it's not good. It's supposed to be just for hotels, and apparently they decided it was for the cruise ship too. You could live with it being on the hotel. You're like, it's one night, I can take it. $350 for the 7 days is just wrong. Why Disney is not building a fifth park? Well, if you build a fifth park, it takes 10 years, and people hold back on coming. It's their ideal thought. So it's better to add something new every couple of years and draw you into that park or that park or that park or. Plus, they're also getting back onto the. We need more hotel rooms because, you know, people just come and stay at the hotel. I, I don't know about that one, but yeah. All right, let's review today. Let's for our chapter 2 speed news, people. Cruising has broken the record yet again for the top sicknesses this year, over 20. Wash your hands, people. Really. Stop coming out of the toilet and walk straight out. Wash your hands. I don't see what the problem really is. I don't. Damen ship repair yard in France has 50 ships that went through so far. They're also providing a new biocide free silicone hull paint. That's good for those going to Australia. There's barnacles that have to be washed off because Australia is a separate area that's by itself and not connected to all the oceans somehow. Also, it's offering a new bulbous bow. I'll have a picture of what that thing looks like out front of it. Will cut drag, fuel efficiency, and help upgrade the ship. Again, I didn't know this thing was so everything it needed. All right, and of course, NCL has sent out letters saying new tax site in Hawaii. Everyone is just pissed, pissed. Disney not building a fifth park because they don't need to. They can just add one every few years and add not a new park, just new, you know, ride every few years and keep the four parks they have. People won't be waiting 10 years to come back. That's their thought. Well, have a good night.